Last video a few weeks ago, we forged out our first Damascus ever. And I know some of you folks out there, again, I'm going to get the comments, hey, it's not real Damascus. Well, that's all right. It's my first attempt and I'm happy with it. So what we're doing is we're doing a little draw knife with scales. It's an idea I've been thinking about. I've seen a couple of them. I really kind of like it. I don't like it for the big draw knives, but I think for the smaller ones that work more like spoke shaves, I think we want to try it out. So I'm at the point now where we've had all our forging process. This is nice and soft. We can drill holes where we need to, so I'm going to need a couple of pins. I'm going to drill some other larger holes for epoxy space. And I'm going to want to clean up my profile. I have the bevel kind of where I want it. I'm really close on it. But I just want to take the die grinder and just clean all this stuff out, hand file, all that good stuff. And then we're going to heat treat. So stay tuned. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I know we threw some footage in there from the last video where we made the actual Damascus. If you recall, this was from our first Damascus billet we made. The camera doesn't, the lighting has to hit this just right for you to really catch it, but we got some good shots of it. Anyway, I kind of like the scales. Doing them's a bit of a pain in the ass compared to just a hidden tang draw knife, but I kind of like that small compact size. This one I'm going to keep because it is my first piece of Damascus. It's my first scaled draw knife, so we'll keep that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It is hunting season here, so I've been actually taking my son out every weekend and every night that we can. That's why we haven't been doing many videos in the last month or so, but he finally got his first deer today. He got his first buck, and he was a happy, happy boy, and I'm a happy, happy father. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you on the next one.